Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to get classic Microsoft Paint back on Windows 11. So just follow some easy steps. Firstly, open any web browser. Now search this website win7games.com /mspaint. Then click on download Paint. Now double click on this zip file. Now click on this setup file. It will ask permissions, so click on yes, then click on next. Select for all users or for current user only, then next, then click on install. Now click on finish. Now click on start and type paint and select paint classic. So this is the easy and quick way to get classic Microsoft Paint back on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.